If you're seeing the PowerPoint error that says it cannot play media, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the most reliable fixes step by step so you can get your video or audio working again without guessing. This issue usually happens when PowerPoint doesn't support the file format. The media is linked from the wrong location or your computer is missing the right codecs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to fix it. And if this helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Let's jump in. The first and most important fix is to check your media format and convert it if needed. Start by right-clicking your video or audio file and selecting Properties. Look at the file type carefully. If you see formats like MOV or AVI for video, or an unusual audio format that PowerPoint may not support properly, that's often the reason for the error. PowerPoint works best with MP4 for video and MP3 or WAV for audio. If your file is not in one of those recommended formats, convert it before adding it into your presentation. A simple way to do this is by using an online converter such as Cloud Convert. Upload the file, choose MP4 for video or MP3 or WAV for audio, and then start the conversion. Once the new file is ready, download it to your computer. After that, go back into Microsoft PowerPoint and insert the converted file again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem because PowerPoint can now properly read the media. If that still doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is whether the media file is in the same folder as your PowerPoint presentation. This is important because PowerPoint sometimes creates broken links if the file gets moved or renamed after insertion. To fix this, locate your PowerPoint file and make sure your video or audio file is stored in the very same folder. Then open PowerPoint, delete the old media from the slide, and insert the file again from that folder. This helps PowerPoint keep a clean path to the media and often resolves playback errors caused by missing links. Another very useful fix is installing missing codecs. Codecs are the components your computer uses to understand and play different media formats. If your system is missing one, PowerPoint may fail to play the file even if it looks normal. Open your browser and go to the K-Lite Codec Pack website. Download the standard version, then install it using the default settings. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC. After that, open PowerPoint again and test the media file. This step can be especially helpful if you're working with older video formats or unusual audio files. Now here's another important tip. Avoid using MOV files whenever possible. MOV is a common cause of compatibility issues in PowerPoint, especially on Windows. If your file is in MOV format, the best solution is to convert it to MP4 before inserting it into your presentation. MP4 is much more reliable and works on more systems. In some cases, installing QuickTime can help, but converting to MP4 is usually the better and more dependable option. So to quickly recap, if PowerPoint says it cannot play media, first check the file format and convert it to MP4, MP3, or WAV if needed. Then make sure the media is stored in the same folder as your presentation. Install the correct codecs if your system needs them, and avoid MOV files when possible. These steps fix most media playback issues in PowerPoint and save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials that make tech easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.